Today at GitHub, we're announcing GitHub stacked PRs. Have you ever been building a project and thought to yourself, I'm just going to add this one feature? Then you notice a bug nearby and decide to fix that. You probably add a few more improvements to help the UI look better, and then suddenly your small change has turned into a massive PR. Large PRs are slower to review, harder to debug, and oftentimes lead to more misunderstanding. That's where stacked PRs help. With stacked PRs, each pull request targets the branch right below it instead of every branch targeting main. The bottom PR goes to main, the next builds on that, and the next builds on that one. Let's take a look at some examples. For this example, I want to build a blog in 3 clean layers: the post, the styling, and then adding in the comments. It starts in the terminal. I create a branch, commit the first post, and open the bottom of the stack with one command. This first PR is the foundation everything else builds on. Think of it like layering the first brick. Notice that PR number 1 branches straight off main. And there's the first result, a plain first post. It's not looking great so far, but it's working. Now I add a second PR, but instead of branching off main, it stacks right on top of the other PR. I can keep building without waiting for the first one to merge. Layer 2 adds some styling to our block. It's looking much better already. One more layer, a comment section stacked on top again. 3 PRs, 3 branches, all connected in a single stack. And here we can see the whole stack ready to merge on GitHub. We can see the finished blog, posts, style, and comments built piece by piece. Your reviewer is able to merge one PR at a time or the entire stack at once. Smaller PRs, faster reviews, and better code. We're excited to see what you built.